That ridge up there is where I was. That's the wall road. And then I cut down a trail. And now we're gonna run out. Secret trail to barbecue terrace. Nice little trail. Last time I was out here, it was super muddy and hardly runnable. Today it is just a treat. I keep being buzzed by hummingbirds. And I see a trail marker up there. Means we're already to Barbecue Terrace. And we just follow that right on back down to stage.